New bike check here. Got some new rims. Alright, so we'll start at the front. Riding an Odyssey Hazard Light with the McNeil Street Hub, I think it's called. It's pretty decent, it's light, smooth. We're I don't even know what kind of front tire. Fit shift forks, they're actually really strong. They're really small and light. Colony stem, real nice. We the People headset. Sabrosa 8.25s. Cut them because I'm not gnarly enough to ride on cuts like you friggin' crazy ass YouTube bikers there. McNeil BB3 or BB2, I believe. I like it because it has longer dropouts. 20.75, I'm pretty sure. A Primo crank. Some Colony pedals, they're nice. Shadow Conspiracy half-link. McNeil seat. Colony pivotal seat post. Representing Howie Bros, of course. Same as the front. Actually, the back's a Super G light. And Street McNeil hub again. Odyssey Aitken tire. Yeah. It's my bike check. Yeah. Howie Bros.